Hi everyone, I'm Ferd and welcome to my video. Today I'm working on this Kubota Deisel zero turn. It's having a hard time starting and it's been going on for quite some time, so much that it's wore the starter out. I'm going to put a new one on, but you won't see that in this video. It's real simple to do. I'm putting glow plugs in it. Glow plugs are simple to install, it's quick and easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Enjoy the video. Now the first thing we're going to do is get this stuff out of our way. And down here I'm just going to take this big hose off. Everything's going to be like an 8 or a 10 on this. Just a hose clamp. And it's going to be on there tight. It's been on there for a while. There we go. Just pull that out the way and set it off to the side. And we want to get to this rail right here. There's your glow plugs. Okay, I got a number 7. I'm going to take these 3 nuts off of the top of each one of them. And then we're going to lift this little rail off of the top. It sits right over top of your 3 glow plugs down there. One of them is going to have a wire on it. Take that off, and you need a deep well number 10 socket. Just like changing out a spark plug. You got 3 of them on this little thing. There's one. There's 2, and there's number 3 of them. We're just going to put these new ones in same way the old ones came out. Take our nut off the top of it and drop her down the hole. Get it started without the ratchet. Okay, now we're going to just crank them down. Now when you tighten these down without the ratchet, you'll feel them stop, and you'll still see some threads sticking out of the bottom. Don't force the threads all the way down in there. They don't go all the way. You just want to kind of torque them down. Okay, we got them on there. We're going to put our wire back where we found it. Usually see them in the center, but this one's over here off to the side. Put our little plate back on there. Install the new nuts. And we're going to put our number 7 back on here. And tighten those down. Just tighten them to where you know that they're not going to come back off. There we go, they're installed. That easy. Let's put our breather back on it. Start it up. All right, let's see how she starts. Oh, shoot. Fires right up. Okay, the starter actually died that first time that I started it up. I tried to do it again and it wouldn't hit a lick. I had to put the starter in it. So let's see how well this thing starts up now. Starts instantly every time. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some good information out of it. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button on the way out. Got a lot of videos up there and I got a lot more coming. Ring that notification bell. You'll get notified as soon as I put them up. Remember to stay safe in the shop, wear your protective gear, and have fun. Thank you for watching.